Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. Today I'm going to show you how to make these amazing vanilla and espresso protein bowls. They're so yummy, so delicious, and if you like coffee, this one is definitely for you. Now let's get started. Into your food processor you want to add your gluten-free oats and then your protein powder of your choice. Then add your maple syrup or any sweetener together with your coffee. Lastly, add your vanilla extract and your almond butter. And we're going to mix everything together until it becomes nice and smooth. These are so yummy and they come together really fast. Once the mixture starts to come together into a bowl and you will see that your blender is starting to kind of slow down and struggle, you want to stop the mixing process and just scrape everything into a bowl. I like to use gloves because it just makes it easier to roll the balls out and it doesn't stick to me too much. You can always use a little bit of oil on your gloves or water to help you form the protein balls. This will make 10 coffee protein balls and you can roll them pretty much into any shape that you like. This is how they will look, and yeah, enjoy.